Imagine this. You're ready to enjoy your day, maybe a walk in the park, a trip to the grocery store, or visiting grandkids. But your clunky, heavy rollator makes every step feel like a chore. Sound familiar? For millions, mobility challenges steal independence. But what if there was a way to reclaim it? Stay tuned. Today, we're revealing the Nitro Elite CF carbon fiber rollator, a game changer designed to lighten your load and boost your confidence. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the 3 big problems with traditional rollators and why so many people feel stuck. Most rollators weigh 20-30 pounds. That's like carrying a toddler everywhere you go. Heavy frames cause fatigue, strain your arms and back, and make transportation a nightmare. Ever given up on an outing because lifting your rollator was just too exhausting? Meet the Nitro Elite CF, crafted from aircraft-grade carbon fiber. At just 13.5 pounds, it's 50% lighter than steel rollators. Finally, a rollator that works with you, not against you. Lift it, fold it, stow it, effortlessly. Cheap plastic wheels or flimsy frames can turn a sidewalk crack into a hazard. Unstable rollators shake, tip, or collapse, putting you at risk of falls. Scary, right? The Nitro Elite CF solves this with 8-inch premium rubber wheels and a wide, reinforced base. These wheels eat up bumps and cracks, while the carbon fiber frame stays rock solid. Plus, the 360-degree locking brakes let you stop on a dime, safely every time. Tiny seats, non-adjustable handles, and zero storage? It's like manufacturers forgot we actually need to use these things. Uncomfortable seats strain your posture. And where do you put your groceries, purse, or oxygen tank? Not here. The Nitro Elite CF features a padded, height-adjustable seat with a supportive backrest, perfect for resting pain-free. The ergonomic handles adapt to your height, reducing wrist strain. And the zippered storage bag holds essentials securely. Shop, stroll, or travel. Hands-free and hassle-free. Freedom shouldn't be a luxury. With the Nitro Elite CF, you're not just getting a rollator, you're getting back your independence. Carbon fiber strength without the weight. Smooth rides without the fear. Comfort without compromise. Don't let heavy, shaky rollators hold you back another day. Click the link below, grab your Nitro Elite CF, and step into the life you deserve. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more life-changing solutions and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, where we help you live boldly without limits.